Hello everyone and welcome back to some more unboxing action. Today we have a floor lamp for you, brought to you by Outon. It includes a remote. Let's check this puppy out. Here's some specifications for you. Go ahead and pause to read that at your convenience. Now this did come in an outer box and shipping was fast and efficient with Amazon. We did use a wonderful Finch product to open this lamp up out of the first box. Today it's the Runtley XL. Look at that thing. Link below to check that out as well. Let's take our first look together of the Outon floor lamp. All right, look at that. So packaging looks to be really well. So we have everything secured inside some styrofoam. All right, people, everything out of the packaging, as you can see in front of you here. So it looks like we have kind of like the base for the lamp along with a pole. So we have the wire pre-threaded through there. That's awesome. Looks like kind of put it together like a tent poles, if you will. Now this actually might be the base. Maybe that goes in there. We'll check it all out through the instructions. And of course we have our AC, power, and remote. An overview of the instructions here. They seem pretty solid, including those matching pictures. That always helps. All right, so essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this, feeding the cord through here, and then just screwing, joining these two pieces together by screwing them together. So you just go ahead and manipulate that cord or wire in there until you can line up the two poles, and then you're just going to screw them together. Look at that. Once that's screwed together, you can't even see that seam right there. All right, next up, we've got pretty much assembled. So now we're going to go ahead and connect the base. So we're going to put the lamp on the base and then just screw it in here. All right, now with the base connected, we're just going to go ahead and connect this to that for some AC action. And now, the remote. Remote takes two AAAs. And look at that. It would appear it has some pairing instructions on there as well. Folks, we've got this lamp all assembled, and it took me about 5 minutes, including filming. This was really pretty simple. So we will get into the features of this light and the modes, but one thing I thought was pretty cool is all the different ways you can position this light. I mean, look at this. We can go straight up like that, or obviously we can tilt it to the side like how we had it. And just about any angle there. That's pretty cool. Pretty secure. So on the pole of the lamp here, you're going to see you have a little panel. You're going to be able to turn it on or off, change the mode, that's the M, and then adjust the brightness, bringing it up or down with that plus or minus. Kind of tilted the light there towards us so we can see the different modes. We're just going to go ahead and turn it on. Woo! Let's try that again. A little off and on. Ooh, let's turn that down. Look at that. Can you see that going down? That's pretty cool. We'll do like a side profile of it. Now we're gonna go ahead and hold the plus up button. Yep, definitely gradually got much brighter. Let's go ahead and hold the minus button. I definitely can see it gradually getting dimmer as well. You can, of course, adjust it just by doing some little taps as well, or hold it down. Let's go ahead and try this M here. Let's go ahead and count the modes together, shall we? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So upon browsing our instructions/directions for the remote, we can see right down here at the very bottom are 5 modes. They are leisure mode, reading mode, breastfeed mode, nightlight mode, and work mode. And as you see, we also have a timer on the remote as well. So here's our timer button. Here's our button to adjust, or our button to adjust the brightness and the dimness. We can do a long press or a short press on those. And then here are 5 modes down here, but the buttons for each mode. You can kind of make it out. Definitely make it out. Breastfeed mode, work mode, nightlight mode. Yeah, we got them. And then we have our power on, power off. All right, let's go ahead and try out the remote right now. Look at that. Going through the modes now. That's nice. Let's see if we can, oh yeah, that increases and decreases the brightness as well. Yep, you can just do a long push to kind of get it to go all the way real fast, or short presses to stop in between whatever lighting mode you'd like. It goes from 3,000 up to 6,000. Love this lamp. Tons of opportunities for this to light up your life. Make sure to check out the link below to pick up your own remote control multi-position light from Outon. Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again. Keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.